So we're at the place, the Newport. We've just seen some incredible 60-second films made by local creatives.
A really enjoyable process. I like to do bits of creative writing myself anyway, so I was in my element doing the writing tasks. The film training using software bit I was a bit out of my depth, but pretty soon with the guidance that I had and the expertise of the people on the team, I had a whole new set of skills that I didn't think I would ever have. So yeah, it's great, really good process.
Always interesting to see people different points of view on, I guess, the same subject. Although it was different, it all made, to me, one story, because it's all about Newport and how everybody feels about Newport, and everybody had their own unique experiences, good or bad. But it was really lovely to see. I enjoyed it.
It's made me feel good to be Newportonian.
There's a real bubbling excitement about Newport in general, and I want to be part of that. And having met all these different people, it's been a real blessing. Yeah, I've made new friends and new creative collaborators. I would say that you are in the safest of hands with not only highly trained, professional, experienced creatives from the industry, but really genuinely nice people.
You might learn more about yourself, learn more about the community, and also you get to meet a lot of interesting and creative people as well.